In the city of sin, even dessert can be a crime. The scene, a kitchen after hours. The perp, a chef with a penchant for the sweet and dangerous. The ingredients, innocent enough on their own, but in the right hands. The plot thickens, just like the custard our culprit is creating. The trap is set, waiting for the heat to do its dirty work. Into the inferno they go, baking low and slow, like a long con. Time passes, but crime waits for no one. The evidence emerges, still hot from its alibi. A sweet disguise, about to meet its fiery fate. The final act, where sugar turns to glass, hiding secrets beneath. A transformation under fire, like a criminal under interrogation. The moment of truth. Will it crack under pressure? The perfect crime served on a silver spoon. Smooth as silk, with a hard edge that could cut glass. In this town, even dessert has a dark side. Case closed. Until the next course.